How to equip Aura in the Blox Fruits on PC. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll show you how to equip and activate the Aura. So let's get started. Equipping and activating the Aura requires two steps. First of all, you need to unlock the ability. If you don't already have it unlocked, talk to the ability teacher to purchase it for $25,000 inside the cave at the Frozen Village. And once you acquire the Aura, it's ready to be equipped. Simply press J on your keyboard and mouse, and if you have obtained the Aura ability, pressing J will activate it, enhancing both your damage and defense. You can toggle it on or off as needed, and the Aura is automatically equipped once unlocked. So by purchasing it from the ability teacher and pressing J afterward, you can activate it instantly. So I hope this guide has helped you equip Aura and the Blox Fruits. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.